Hello friends, welcome to Malabar Kitchen. Today we are diving into a super delicious recipe that's a true gem from Gujarat, Methi Theplas. These soft, flavorful flatbreads are made with fenugreek leaves and are packed with nutrients. They are perfect for breakfast, lunch or even a quick snack. Let's get cooking. First things first, let's talk about methi. These little green leaves are not just full of flavor, but are also loaded with health benefits, full of iron, vitamin, and fiber. Clean the fenugreek methi leaves multiple times with water. Make sure there is no dirt. Once the leaves are cleaned, chop them into small chunks. We used one bunch of methi leaves, about 2 cups. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon dry chili powder, salt. Add 1 teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds. Add 2 teaspoons sesame seeds. I used white sesame seeds here. Crush some ajwain or carom seeds in your palm and add it. This helps with the digestion. Add 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Add 1 teaspoon sugar. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Add half cup curd. Add a pinch of baking soda. Add lemon juice and then combine all of it together and mix them using hand. Add 1 crushed green chili. The reason we add green chilies later is to prevent the burning sensation from the chilies when you are combining the ingredients. Add 1/4 cup gram flour, 1/4 cup bajra flour, 1 cup wheat flour. Combine it and add water little by little and knead it together to form a soft dough. Add required amount of water to this and mix well until you form a soft dough. Add water slowly as required to ensure that you don't end up with a very sticky dough. Once the dough is ready, add a little bit of oil and keep it aside. Make small round balls from this dough. Using a roller, roll them into a flat round shape. If the dough is a little sticky, use some dry flour to prevent it from sticking to the rolling pin. Roll all of them and keep it aside. Heat a pan on medium heat to bake this methi theplas. Once one side is done, flip it over, drizzle a little oil. Cook until both the sides are done. And there you have it, perfect, aromatic and wholesome methi theplas. Serve it hot with some yogurt and pickle on the side, and you've got yourself a perfect meal. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tasty recipes, and drop a comment below to let me know how your methi theplas turned out. See you next time and happy cooking!